Hey friends, this is Craft Toast and today in this video we are going to control our room lights with our phone. So let's make it. Things that are required are a Arduino Uno board, a 4-channel relay board. You can also use 2 or 1-channel relay board, a Bluetooth module, some jumper wires, and a bulb and its holder. Numbers are up to you. First, take a breadboard and connect the Bluetooth module on it. Now take 4 wires of any color you want. The yellow wire to VCC, the green wire to ground, blue wire to TXG and purple wire to RXG. Here I have used white and grey wire to supply power and ground to breadboard from Arduino. Now connect white and grey wire to 5V and ground respectively. Now connect the blue wire of Bluetooth module to digital pin 0 which is RX and purple wire to digital pin 1 which is TX, and connect yellow and green wire to 5V and ground respectively on breadboard. Now connect red and orange wire to VCC and ground and give power to relay board through breadboard. Here I have used 2 wire on the input pin of relay board, and make sure that the bulb is connected on the relay board on same input pin where the wire is connected. Now connect those wires to Arduino's digital pin 8 and 9 respectively. Now take a bulb holder and connect its red wire to relay 1 middle terminal and the black wire will be connected to power on socket. And also you have to connect a separate wire on left terminal on relay which would be connected to socket with black wire. You can connect more appliances like the same way I have shown you. Now plug in the Arduino to computer. Upload this code. You can get this code from the link in description below. Now connect the LED bulbs with their holder. Now connect the wires of relay board and bulb holders to extension socket. To give power to Arduino, here I have used a 9V battery. You can also use other sources. Now turn on the power switch. Now it's time to set up your phone for controlling lights through Bluetooth. Download this app Arduino Bluetooth controller. You can get it on Play Store. Open the app. And now turn on Bluetooth and search for available devices. When it shows HC05, then click on it and type the number 1234 which is the default password. When it gets paired, then go to the Arduino app and connect through it. Go to buttons section and configure the buttons according to your code programmed on Arduino. Like here I have used capital F for on command and small f for off command, and like the same way you can configure other buttons, but make sure It should be according to your codes. Now our project is all done and it's time for execution. So guys, you can see when I turn on button 1, then the first light turns on, and when I turn off the button, then the light turns off. The same thing you can see with button 2 and the second bulb. We are able to control these lights from the Bluetooth of our phone, which is really cool. Also, we can easily control it while sitting at a distance from it. You can also make this cool project at home and convert your normal lights to smart lights.